tiger in Afrikaans or Honkens means kaañ, kaañ, and also mean kaya. The word kaya mean to bite. If I say buy the food, buy this food mean I would say I'm kaya, I'm kaya, I'm kaya, or gin kaya, buy the thing, gin kaya, I'm kaya, buy the food. So tiger, kaañ means to bite, and as you see, the character of tiger, and that's what about language. That's the phenomenon of language, the meaning of language. Here, the female names in Mabaan, if a girl named, as a tiger, her name would be kaañ, kaañ. Kaañ mean tiger, but female. Ka mean female. Ka female, or ka. Again, we have kaañ, ka, the last one. So African languages, and if we talk about Mabaan or Sudanese, it's based on observation, experiments, and the idea that explains the meaning. And this is how we will understand, African language, Honken language, in Mabaan tribe, but in Sudan, And I hope you like this video, and I will add more, more videos or more information later on. If you like my video, hit thumbs up. That would be great. You like it, you can hear me like talking, or making more video. You can get it like more faster or quicker when you like my video. So if you like my video, thank you.